Hello everyone, I'm here making this video to show you guys this product I have here. This is the Razer Kraken Pro. So, what this product does, it's just a regular pair of headphones, but it's not, it's actually for gaming purposes. You can, if say you're playing a game and someone's shooting in the left of you, you'll hear it in this ear. If someone's shooting in the right, you hear it in this ear. If someone in front, you'll hear it like up here, so you get the point. So it's like you really know where everyone is, and it's like you're really in the game. So this is the, like I said, this is the Pro Edition, the green version. It also comes in a bunch of different colors like pink, blue, red, orange, purple, etc. There's like almost every color of the rainbow you can get. So let me show you a little bit about this. So over here is a headphone. So this is where like your microphone is, where you can talk. It has very good quality. Actually, it's HD, so everyone can hear you perfectly. If you want it out, you pull it out through here. If you just wanted to use it as like a headphone, all you have to do is you just push it back in like that, and it kind of gets tucked away in there nice. It's very bendy, so you don't have to worry about it like ripping or anything either. You can kind of put it around all you want. Yeah, so down here too, this is like the little control center. So right here, that's how you mute your mic. So right now it's muted. Right now it would be on. This is how you control the sound. So you push this way to turn it down, this way to turn it up. It takes just a regular aux cord. You can use this with anything that would take an aux. You know, a computer, laptop, phones, tablets, anything like that. You can use this with, and you can talk with it through. So that's really cool. One of the perks I find with these is really good for traveling with. So to get it ready for travel, all you have to do is just stick this down in here, right? Fold it like that. Sorry, fold it like that, and then you can just take the cord, wrap it up like that, and it's easy goes together, and you don't gotta worry about anything, you know, getting in the way, ripping out. You can take this on the plane with you in your bag. You can take this in your suitcase. You can take it in the car. Yeah, so it's a really good headphone. So cool thing about this too is you can set this up on a software on your computer, so you can change different things about it. You can change the volume on it, the settings, the calibration, a bunch of other things that you can be, so it can be fitted to you and how you like it. So that's really cool. It also can come with this little attachment, so if you plug this into this, and then you can go into one side could be your microphone, one side could be your audio, and so it can make it longer, and it could improve a little bit your audio and your mic in it. So that's really cool too. I first found out this product from a friend. So one of my friends had one of these. I tried it on, and I really liked it because it's very comfortable. It's a over the ear. Yeah, just like the padding in here is just very comfortable, and you just put these on for hours. And you know, some people that are like gaming, they could be sitting down for hours on end playing, and you really need something comfortable, or you're not gonna be able to keep it on all the time and be able to have them on. It's just gonna hurt. So yeah, it was really good for that. So then I wanted to give it a try, and I've been using these for I'm gonna say about 4 years now, and I love them. Now, this is the second pair I had. I had to replace the first one as one of the speakers in one of the ears wore out really easily. I don't know if it was because the wire cracked or something, but you couldn't hear out of one ear, which, you know, is a downside for what they're meant for, so you can hear all around. So that was kind of a downside of that, is that I did have to replace it because of that, and it seems like a little bit this one's kind of going too. Now I don't know if that's just the age on it, but yeah, that's what happened to me. It can also extend, so you can really use it for like any head size. So it can be like this, and it can go all the way up like that in both ends. So that's really cool. So you can adjust it to your head, and so it's more comfortable for you. Yeah. Now, I know a lot of high YouTubers and like celebrity types use these. It's very big sponsor of like esports and other type of gaming tournaments and things like that. They're always usually big sponsors in them. It's a very big company. They also make a bunch of other products like keyboards, mouses, mouse pads, earbuds, laptops, phones, a bunch of other products, and it's very, very well known. So it's definitely reliable in that sense, as it's a well-known company, and their customer service, I know, is really, really good and always has been. Yeah, so all their other products are really, really good too. So this is no exception, except for that point I made, is that they seem to break really easily. It's all made out of plastic everywhere through here, as you can see. Now, like I said, I can hit it and stuff, but it did seem to break, and I don't know if that was part of that. Maybe I like lied on it this way so it broke, so it is a little fragile. But other than that, because it's been bending and stuff, it doesn't seem to break very easily. You can put some pressure on here, but I can tell that if I put too much, it's going to snap. Yeah, so it is definitely a product that I've used for a long time. I definitely get I get lots of compliments on it myself, just because it's a well-known company. They're very they're very nice looking, and they're definitely very comfortable for long periods of time too. Yeah, I really hope that this video was informative to all you, and that you learned a little bit more about this product, and I really hope you enjoyed. So thank you all very, very much for watching. Bye.